Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today I am going to make a DIY paper toy which is going to be very interesting and you can make this at home. So let's get started. So for this activity you need a scissor, sellotape, a woolen thread. You can take any thread that you have at your home. It should be quite thick in a piece of paper. So here you can see that I have taken out a square paper from my big paper. Now what I am going to do is I'll fold from the center in this way. Then again I'll be folding this part with this in this way. After doing that, I'll be taking this end and I'll be joining it with this end in this way. I'll be repeating the same part for this side as well. After that, I'll take this end and I'll fold it here and I'll repeat the same thing here. And here I'll take this piece of paper and I'll fold it. Also this in this way. Now I'll just rotate it and I'll take this part and I'll fold it. A little bit over here and same I'm going to repeat it. I'll be taking the woolen thread and I'll make it into two halves in this way, and then I'll keep it here, and then I'll take one of these strands of my thread and I'll place it beneath the paper in this way. Again I'll repeat the same thing. I'll put it here and then I'll stick both of the ends with the sellotape. So let's do that. So now you can see that I've properly sealed the sides of my paper. Now that it's time to test this activity. So now I'm going to try my activity. I'll just pull the thread, and after pulling that you can see that my paper is going up. So when I stretch the string, it goes up. You can try this activity at home. Enjoy!